Hi, I'm Bill Traylor. I hope you enjoy this behind-the-scenes interview from the 2008 National Quartet Convention. This special clip is brought to you by Sky Angel, your home for gospel music and more. Enjoy. How long have the Tallies been together? What's going on in the Tallies ministry? And then I want to concentrate on what we were talking about.
Okay. Deborah and I have been singing for many years, and I'm not going to say how many. But we started singing with our daughter Lauren about 1997, and we have enjoyed the past 11 or 12 years singing together as a family. She's doing a great job, and I keep telling her if she keeps improving, someday she's going to make me a good living.
And I told him that I would put him in the finest nursing home that money could buy.
I have a feeling these are things that are discussed sometimes, right? And if you've never heard the Tallies, I've known Roger and Deborah and Lauren for a long time, and Roger, I mean, you're a great producer. You've helped many artists come to their level of excellence because of your production skills. Give a few of the artists that you've produced.
Over the years, I've been privileged to work with some really good artists. I've done an album for the Kingsmen and several projects for Ivan Parker, and got to do a couple of projects, the last two with Jake Hess just before he passed away, and several other Southern gospel groups. I'm in the middle of one right now with Sue Dodge, and I can even do these guys occasionally when they
Did you ever notice how intelligent your father sounds?
Oh, yes, every day of my life.
You're doing good. and Deborah, everybody has always spoken about the beautiful texture of your voice, and you've heard that a long time, but it's things that we all believe, and I know you enjoy what you do, right?
Oh, thank you, Bill. That's so nice. I've been blessed to do what I've done for 30 plus years now. So, but how can you not love what we do? It's about the people and just being able to give them good music that enriches their lives and maybe touches them in a special way.
Well, I agree with you. And if you've never heard the Tallies, you need to go hear them. They're absolutely incredible, lovely family. And we're going to talk to the hip one down here on the end.
She's cool.
We were talking earlier, Lauren, about, I know your mom and dad are proud of you, and you've grown up in this, and you hear a lot of things. You have such a great commercial style to your voice, and you can sing all types of different things. But you're one of the young ones that have come along, and there's a new thing that's happening with the Tallies with regard to online opportunities from your website. Tell us about what's going on with that.
Well, of course, the internet is changing everything about the way that we make the music and give it to the fans, and there are just so many different exciting changes that are coming up in the music industry right now. And one of those changes for us has been the development of a brand new website. We, of course, still have our official site, tallytrio.com, but we have developed a new website strictly for the fans called www.tallytrio.com. And this is kind of the online community of the Tally Trio. It's the place where we and our fans and friends can get together and talk about whatever's on their mind. And they have helped us produce every aspect of our new recording called Life Goes On. They've been involved in the song selection. They previewed audio and video clips of us in the studio, and they gave their opinions on what we did. They helped us choose the cover photos. They're going to help us choose the first single, so they've been involved in every step of the process.
Did Roger end up in any of the pictures?
Yes,
oh,
actually.
He did? Oh, even with the fans voting and
yes,
everything? Wow.
They made some good choices. We were impressed. But it's really been eye-opening for us to get to see what the fans really think. And we asked them to share their favorite Tally songs and any testimonies that they might have connected with those. One thing that's really exciting on there is a thread strictly devoted to prayer requests. And people from all over the world are sharing their prayer requests with each other and with us. And it's become quite a large prayer chain all over the world. It's pretty incredible.
You know what? I'm just amazed. You are a bright young lady.
Well, thank you.
It just comes out.
Thank you.
And I know you get it from your mom. And I'm sorry, Rod. But for all of us that are over 50, and I'm the only one sitting here that is, say it a lot slower.
You now have two more new friends.
You're not supposed to bring that up. Say it a lot slower to the folks at home, your website for that particular thing.
We have two websites. The first one is our official website, www.tallytrio.com. tallytrio.com with the traditional spelling. And our second website for the fans is www.tallytrio.com.
Let me interpret. TREE-O.
Write it down.
.com.
There you go.
Got it. Check it out. That's a brand new thing, and it will excite you, and also you'll learn more about the tallies. Thank you so much for being on the
Thank you,
program
Bill. It's always
today.
a pleasure.
Lauren, you are a jewel.
Thank you.
Deborah, it's always a joy to see you. And Roger,
Bill.
glad you were able to make it. This special clip was brought to you by Sky Angel. With Sky Angel, you can get all the best Christian music concerts and family entertainment in your home. Call or visit us on the web today.